Hello. Hello. Yeah. Sorry. Suddenly, this router was not working. Yeah, something I did, and then it started working. Okay. So I was showing for a long time. I was seeing no response, but I thought, okay, you are listening. Then when I wanted to, okay, you can just share your screen like that. I came back to the Google Gmeet yeah, web page. Then I saw there is no net. So okay, okay, okay. So I have anyway recorded it, but still I'll show you again. Huh? Yeah. So I'll share my screen. Um, so what we are going to do is, for this top object, we are going to do the unwrapping. So what I did is, in layout, I applied all transforms. Then I am coming to UV editor. I have already done this, but again I will show you. Uh, it is actually come straight. This is what we want actually, but so we have to do it again. That is, generally it won't come straight. Or I will do one thing. I will show for any other object. Okay, I will take this vertical column, or this one. I'll take this object. I'll take. Now if you see, it's UV uh, unwrap, no, which is done by Blender software itself. Means what? When we created the cube, in what dimension the cube was, for that Blender has given the unwrap. Yeah, it is its own old pattern. That is its own pattern of unwrap, Blender's own pattern. So we have to do by ourselves. If you see, all are like squares only. That is, when we take the cube, how, what was the dimension, say for that it has applied the unwrap. So now, but we have lengthened it, many dimensions have changed. Now what I have to do, instead of marking this time, we are doing using the follow active quads method. So it will become easy for us to texture also. That is, we don't have to paint texture. Instead, we just have to find a texture in Google and make it square. That is, all dimensions are same. Then just apply it, it will become applied. So for that we have to use this follow active quads. It will be nice. That is, if I when I press U in the keyboard, you will find this follow active quads tool. So this is what we are going to do. Before that, we have to do, as usual, all transforms. Okay, come to UV editing module. In the edit mode, we have to select, press A in the keyboard and select all the faces, right? Okay, press U in the UV editor panel, keep the cursor in the UV editor panel, and then press U and just say unwrap. It will come like this. Okay, so this is not what we want, but we are going to work on that. I'll just say smart UV project. Okay, fine. When I applied smart UV project, this is somewhat okay. If I press U, unwrap, it is too worse. This is we cannot use this at all for texturing. So it is not at all a flat bed. It is not at all a kind of unwrapped piece. It is very shrinked, and there is no clue of dimensions on that. So I'm not going to use unwrap, simple unwrap option, which is in the shown in the first. I'm This time I'm going to use smart UV project. When I use this, default settings, okay. When I use this, yeah, it is recorded. Yes, it is recorded. So when I use this smart UV project, it is showing some portions as squares, okay, straight lines. fine. But some two islands are like bent, so this is okay actually. But if we can make it straight, make those islands straight, then we can do it, we can work on that. So here actually I feel we can do that, we can make it straight. So for that, what we have to do is, one thing we have to do, we just have to add two lines uh, in the in between that. You can just maximize my screen and watch it. uh, I'm adding, using control R, I'm adding two lines in the top. And okay, here also I should add control R. Yeah, I have added. Okay, fine. So on the top of this wooden piece and the bottom of the wooden piece, I have added two loop cuts. Here on the top, two loop cuts, bottom two loop cuts. You can see it, bottom two loop cuts. Okay. Now I'll go back to the UV editing module, and we can see here the same, those loop cuts are shown up here. Okay, fine. Now we are going to use follow active quads. I told you that is a tool we are going to use to make the island. This is called island. I just switch on the face mode, and I'll take my cursor on any one island and press L in the keyboard. It will select that respective island. Wherever I kept my cursor on, that island it will select, or that piece of unwrap it will select. And now I'll take my cursor to the next island, I'll press L, another island will also get selected. But sometimes you want to select only one island at a time and work on that. At the time, what we have to do, once you select, okay, this is not the island I want to work. Okay, let me deselect. First deselect, and then take your cursor to the next island and press L in the keyboard, then you can work on that. So we have to, it won't, that is generally when we select one object, the previous object which we had selected will get unselected by default. Only if I press shift select, it will select, it will add the selection. But here it will add the selection without pressing the shift actually. See, you can see, uh, I'm pressing L on one island, keeping my cursor on one island. When I press L, it is getting selected. Okay, now I'm thinking I'll take my cursor to next island or next piece of unwrap and press L. The previous one will not get deselected. You can see that. See, so to previous, for the previous one to get deselected, we have to manually do by pressing Alt A in the keyboard and deselect it, and then go for the next piece of island. Keep your cursor on that and then press L again, it will get selected. So that we should be very careful while doing the selection, because sometimes we will be in zoom and we'll select something and move it or rotate it something, and what will happen, the other pieces of island will also get moved. So that is, that should, we should take care, huh? So here, without, the point I wanted to convey is that without pressing the shift, we can select multiple piece of unwraps. So so we should be careful. Right now I'm going to work on this piece of island which is bent. Means what, I want to make it straight. For that, what I have to do, I'll take my cursor there and press L. Okay, fine. I'll just zoom it here. Okay, fine. This, I want to make any one face or any one rectangle straight, so that that will become the guideline for the, for other faces to become straight like the same, the active one, uh, like the active one. So now I will go to, for that, to make the rectangle, particular rectangle straight, no, what I should do is I should go to vertex mode, deselect everything to have a fresh selection, I will draw a rectangle to select two vertices, and then go to scale icon and scale it flat. Using the special manipulation, I am scaling it flat. Okay, now Alt A, that is I am deselecting it. I'll make these two vertices also flat. So you can see I am working only on that particular face, just to make it straight. That's all. Now I will make these two vertices also straight. Deselect. This also make straight. Deselect. Okay, fine. Now I have got one face repaired, that is made straight. Now like this I need not make every face straight. It is a tedious job. So we have a tool for that, to show the blender. Hey blender, I have made one face straight, that is one perimeter straight. You make other perimeters also straight. So for that they have given this follow active quads. So the tool basically it is named as follow active quads. Means what? One active quad should be made active. One quad should be made active, which we have worked on, which we have made it straight manually. Okay, that active quad will be followed by rest of the quads. So now I'll go to face mode. I will select first this one, and this has become the active now. uh, then I'll press L in the keyboard. You can see others are like orange color. Only this face which is white color means it is active selection. uh, yeah. Now if I apply this, press U and then apply follow active quads, and say choose the length average mode, say OK, it has become straight. Means what? The whichever selection, whichever rectangle was active, that face made the other faces also straight. So yeah. When we choose, when we apply any square texture, no, we don't have to work on the texture, like to adapt that particular texture to this bend. I have to go to Photoshop and apply some lattice kind of thing and bend the texture. All that I did not do. Just apply one single one texture. That's all. Texturing work is done. So to make the texturing part easy, we are doing this, making the lines straight. So same this straightening the lines we are going to apply for this one also. Same I have to do. Just any one quad we have to make it straight. That is one face we have to make it straight. For that we have to choose. We have to be in vertex mode only. I'm going there and then making it straight. Okay, fine. Alt A, deselect it. This side also straight, this side too straight, and this side also straight. Right. Now I'll switch to face mode and then select this one. Then press L in the keyboard. Okay, fine. Now the entire island is selected. I'll press U in the keyboard and choose follow active quads. Choose the same mode, length average. I'm saying OK. Now it will become straight. Okay. It is, yeah. I think it is not yet straight. I think it is. Sometimes when we apply this special manipulation, no, we may make some mistake, like we didn't press the zero properly or something in the keyboard. So I will do the same special manipulation part again and make it straight. Yeah, this side, the right side is now only it has become straight. Right, means what? When I typed the zero, it was not typing properly. Okay, now I'll go to face mode. Only in face mode we should select the press L in the keyboard. It's very important. Only in face mode I should press L in the keyboard to select the island. So I'll go to face mode, press L in the keyboard and select the entire piece of island. Okay, fine. Now I'll press U in the keyboard and follow active quads and say okay. It has become straight, right? Now uh, if you want, you can align it, that is like this. You can select them and then align it, all that. If it's not necessary, okay, let it be like this only, right? So like this, no, for others also we have to do, huh? For this one we have done. If you select this one, it will be like that only. See, it is like, it is showing the old, the cubes dimensions pattern of unwrap it is showing. So we want to unwrap something like this one only, so which is matching the dimension, the present dimension of the cube, right. So you can share your screen, will do for, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. So that is, it's a separate one, no? Um, there must be some other scene file. I think you just load it, share or something. This is curve only. It is, which is given by me. Yeah. Okay. Any other version? Yeah. This one. Yes. Very good. So that we can replace it. Later that design we will extrude and replace. No problem. So now you select the topmost wooden, no? Topmost wood, that one, yeah. Now press dot frame selection, and yeah. Now you see it is from the top. You don't have to go to top. Just like this only you can see this. So you are seeing a bent. So when it has bent shapes like this, no, or some zigzag shapes like this, it won't properly unwrap. The blender won't. It needs our help, either to mark, doing mark, or even after marking, it will do the. It won't do it properly. So for that only they have given this follow active quads tool in the UV unwrap option. So that we are going to use. For that, what is the process? I'm going to tell you. Now, first, usually, like for any unwrapping, before that, what we do is all transforms. You can apply all transform. Control A, Control A. Yeah, all transforms. Yeah, fine. So now it is at the world origin. Now Blender can calculate the dimensions exactly what dimension is. Only then it can calculate. Right. Now you can select back the same cube. You may not change any selection. First one, the top one. Yeah, that is where we are going to work on. Now we are going to add two loop cuts, because I will show you why. Before that, I will show you why. You go to UV editing, no? Once you understand, it's very simple, but once you understand, it will be very helpful. UV editing module. Yeah. Now you press. You are in edit mode. In the right side panel, you are in edit mode. Yeah, let it be in edit mode. Okay, you press dot here. Now press A here. Press A, and then dot. No. In viewport only, I'm saying. Go to take your cursor to the 3D viewport. This one. Press A, and then dot. 3D viewport only. I didn't mention the UV. 3D viewport only. Yeah. Press dot here. Yeah. Now we are, without adding the loop cuts. If you had seen my what I was doing so far, you would have seen that I was adding two loop cuts on the top and two loop cuts on the bottom also. That is, one, when I add on the top, it will get added sometimes in the bottom also. For some objects it won't add. So anyway, we have to add two loop cuts on the top, two loop cuts on the bottom also. Now, without adding those two loop cuts, if I do unwrap, and what will happen, you can just, now I will show you. You go to UV editor panel and switch on that sync option, that is on the left side, no, top left side top corner, next one, next icon. Yeah, that's switch on. Yes. Now you will see a sync, that is when you select, you just select any one face here on the right side, no, uh, right side you go to face mode, in edit mode right side viewport face mode, select any one face, it is showing, right, on the left side it is showing which face you have selected. This is very important, this sync is very important, otherwise no, we won't know which one we are modifying here in the UV viewport. So that sync button is important, huh? Once when you come to UV unwrap, the first thing we have to do is the sync button on, huh? Then we can do other things, right? Now this unwrap, what it is showing in the left side UV panel is done by the blender itself. It is not exact to the dimension, present dimensions of the cube. So we have to do manually the unwrap. Take your cursor to uh, the left side panel, UV panel. Yeah, press A, press U in the keyboard. Now you just say unwrap, no, let's see what is coming. So this simple UV unwrap, you that is when you press U, it is showing the types of unwrapping possibilities. That first option, when we choose, it is not doing the what we want. Means what, that first guy, no, first unwrap option is very simple guy. He you need, for him you have to mark him, all that you have to do, only then he will do correctly, otherwise he won't do. So okay, so in this case we cannot use him. Let's try the next option. Press U in the keyboard. Just press smart UV project. Yeah, so this default settings, okay, default settings you keep, okay. Yeah, this is somewhat okay, I feel. But one thing, this bent is there, this bent is also okay. huh? It won't show so much error and all. When we just render the entire chair, it won't show much error, only if you are going to, if your camera focus while animating, showing in the render and all, if it is going to focus on that particular portion, then you have to take care much, otherwise it will not be there. So in that case, in case if you are going to show that particular portion using your camera in any rendering, any of your rendering, at that time what you should do, that I'm going to tell you now. You can press dot in the keyboard in the left side, yeah. Now press alt A. All will get deselected. Take your cursor to any one island. First island you just press, no, first, no, first island means, you just tell me how many islands are there. One. No, they are faces. They are faces. Island means four, uh, yeah, 5, 6 actually. They are the last, those two squares are, no. Though they are arranged in the same line, they are actually two different squares. I will show you how I am saying, I am calculating that as two islands. You just take your cursor to the last two squares, no. No. You don't select. No. You don't select anything. Just take your cursor there. Last two islands. Last pieces. Yeah. Don't select any. Now you press L. No. L. See, when I press L, entirely it should have selected. Means what? It didn't select. Means it is only one island. It is a separate island. Now you press Alt A, deselect, and then take your cursor to the next one, next square. Yeah. Now you press L. So now it is select. This also is a separate element. That is why it is not. They both are not brothers like what we are thinking. Though they are so close to each other, they are not. They are different families. They are different islands. Now you take press deselect and then take your cursor to the first island. Now you press L. See, entire row is selected. Entire row. So means what? Though there are many different faces, but still if they are showing up as one selection, means it is one single island. Huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now to make the any one square straight, no, if you just zoom inside, no, to that that first one, you just I told you, no, yeah, yeah, deselect and then select always any unwrap, any no, you have deselected already, no problem. Now you select the middle face in that first island. You have We are going to deal with the first island. Select that. Yeah, yeah. Now press dot. Yeah, middle face. Yeah, press dot. No. Yeah. So if you see, this is not straight. If I make this straight, no, you don't do anything. Just listen. If we make this straight, what will happen? The others also will get changed. Other islands connected with this, no, will get changed. I will show you how. You just switch to vertex mode in the UV editor panel. Vertex mode, first one. No, no, not here, in the left side. No, no, that is in the UV editor panel. This panel. Yeah, now you are in vertex. Okay, fine. Vertex mode, vertex. Yeah. Now you select any one vertex in this square, no. Any one vertex. Please always use, no, use pick selection when you are doing one. Yeah. Okay, fine, fine. Now you have selected one vertex. Just zoom out, no, zoom out. It will show its connection with respect to another. Just zoom out. Zoom out a more. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Do you are seeing any other? See, here also it is getting selected. Now you just move. Go to toolbox and move it. Move it. Both will move. Yeah, this should not happen. This should not happen. So this is why what we are going to do is add two loop cuts inside that boundary, and then only inside that boundary, no, we are going to work. I'll show you. You come to this right side viewport. No, no, in your thing only I will show you. Now little go to top, no, camera little go to top. Enough. Now um, keep it in edge mode. Yeah, middle one. Yeah, yeah. And bring your cursor to the object and press Control R. Yeah, Control R. Don't click left mouse button. Now only use scroll mouse button, rotate it, roll it. Only two lines are needed. Left mouse button, click and confirm. Yeah, one more click, double click and confirm. Yeah. Now you have added the top. Down also we have to add. So just go to the yeah, bottom view. Yeah, here also you have to add. Yeah, Control R. Only two. No, escape. You are clicking the left mouse button. No, undo. Control R. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. Yeah. Careful. Left mouse button you done. Only scroll mouse button. Yeah. Okay. You're by mistake you're clicking. It's okay. You just click there and go to the settings down. Yeah. Now you two, only two. Okay. This way also you can. Okay. Now you see in the UV unwrap, that is UV editor panel. You have it is showing two loop cuts is being added in the UV editor panel. You can see. Yeah. So yeah, in the middle you can see, no, two. Now within that there is a in the middle. Just press Alt A in the UV editor panel. Yeah. Now we are going to completely work on the UV editor panel only. You can maximize it. Keep control space. You can for maximizing, no, control space. Yeah. Now switch to face mode and press L in the keyboard, keeping the cursor on one. Any no first one. Yeah. Now zoom inside the select you selected one area, no, previously. Just zoom inside. Yeah. Now we don't need the gizmos actually for now. Plus W, because you may by mistake you may move it. Yeah, yeah. Now you see inside one cell is there, no? That cell we are going to work on. Means what? We are going to make that cell, particular cell, straight. Those lines we see. So now you can press Alt A, deselect. Yeah, go to vertex mode. Yeah, select that two vertices inside that cell. No, no, not outside. Undo. That is inside. Next, this cell. Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Yes. Go to scale. Go to scale in the toolbox. Yeah, just rotate. Yeah. So in y-axis, green color, no, green color. Just press hold the mouse button. Don't leave it. Same time, just press zero. Type zero in the keyboard, numerical pad. Yeah, that's it. Now, escape, escape. Now we have to do the same thing for the right side line, and yeah. Yeah, vertices only. You can do pick selection because only two vertices. No pick selection. No. Not by manually changing, making it straight. We have to use only scale. No. Don't. But not those vertices. First, press W. Otherwise, this gizmo will obstruct your view. Take this one inside. That one, yeah, that one, and down one. Yeah. Make it straight. Using red color handle. No, undo. Red. Yeah. Yeah. Now type zero. Type zero. Only when you type zero. Yeah. Like this. Now Alt A, deselect. Yeah. The down line. Yeah. This one. Yeah. The before one. Before. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. This you should scale in y axis. Zero. Type zero. Yeah, very good. Now this line, this side line, vertical line. Uh, Next one, that is right side we did no. That's line, that vertical line. Same thing here, left side one line is there no. No, undo. There is Alt A. Just come to the previous dot vertex. That one. You select. And the upper one. Yes, yeah. Now this, make it straight. Go to scale. Yeah, red color handle. No. You have by mistake you have selected something. No. Yeah. Red color handle. Zero. Fine. Now you have made one face straight. Okay. Yeah. So this face is going to become the example for other faces in the same island. He is going to guide the other faces. So you just go to face mode now. Our work with the vertices is done. Now go to face mode. Yeah. Now select that, straighten whichever we did straightening. No, that face you have to select. No. Which? Yeah, that one. Yeah. Now you press L in the keyboard. You see all other faces are in orange color or not in the active. uh, but this middle one, whichever you selected first, is the active now. That is why it is shown up in the some gray color, something like that. So means what? Rest are all are inactive. This one is active. This white color is active. Now you press dot in the keyboard, frame selection. Okay, I don't. Yeah. Now press U, and then follow active quads. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all straight. So this straightening is very difficult in Maya and all. we have to, like some 10 steps we have to do here, some with 5 steps or something we are able to achieve this. So it's very important, it's straightening, no. If we don't do that in Photoshop or any other, even inside the texture paint module inside this blender, you'll be struggling. Whatever you are applying, the texture you are applying, it will be bent when we are painting. In Photoshop you have to bend it. It's only when it is straight, no, it's easy to apply the texture. So they have given this nice option, follow active quads. For that you would have seen, first we applied unwrap, the first option. It didn't work, it was like shown shrinked. It was not at all showing the exact dimensions. Okay, then we tried smart UV project, right? We tried smart UV project. Then we got some base pattern. Okay, on this I'm going to apply follow active quads. So for to do the follow active quads, no, we have to first apply smart UV project. We have to first apply smart UV project and then go for follow active quads, huh? So both two types of UV unwrapping we will be using for this. Smart UV project and then follow active quads. Now you can press Alt A, deselect, and then zoom inside. The second one we are going to work on. The second, we are calling it island. The second one, no, you see other two islands are straight only, we don't have to work on that. Only this, whichever is bent, we have to work on. So you can zoom inside, you can zoom inside. Yeah. Go to vertex mode. Yeah. First one. Yeah. So select any two vertex inside your understanding, no, only inside that boundary we are touching. Because when you previously, when you touched the outside vertex which is on the boundary, it is showing the relevant other side of the vertex on the another island. Did you watch that previously? When you select, you can just even now you can select and see one, any one vertex on the border, no, you just select. Now you will see you will see the right side, you are seeing, no, it is getting, so that is why we are not disturbing it. This one, no, see, when you select these vertices, there is no relevant vertex on the any other island is not getting affected. So now we can scale it or move it or whatever we want. Any, you can apply any transformation on it. In this case we are going to apply only the scale transformation and make it straight. Now you go to the toolbox. uh, you have, having selected two vertices, go to the toolbox. That is, toolbox means left side. In that, choose scale. Yes. Now this use special manipulation we are going to do. Yes, very good, very good. Alt A, immediately we should deselect and then select the other sides also, like shift. Yes. Yeah, x-axis. Yeah, x-axis means red color handle. Yeah yes. No, not at all boundary. We are. It is a Pakistan boundary. We should not go there. yeah. So this upper one also is pending. Yeah. No, below. Make sure that which one you have made straight. Okay. Otherwise, there are so many cells here. You may forget which one you made it straight. Yeah. Y axis. No. Undo. Y axis. Okay, select and then y-axis, 0. Yes, that's all. Now you go to face mode. uh, I think you are getting, I think that is to scale it to 0 while doing your special manipulation. No, we were in vertex mode. Now once after that is done, we are coming to switching to face mode, and then selecting any one face. Just that face only, whichever made it straight, no, that face you select. This one. Now this gizmo is obstructing our view, so press W, no, press W. Now you take your cursor there to the same island and press L. Yeah, yeah.
అన్ని చేసేసి
Now this is the process
ఫస్ట్ తీసుకో
selection order. First we should select the face which we made it straight. No, that is the one we should select first. Then the in the selection order, second one is the press L and select the entire island. So this is the selection order. Now press, press U in the keyboard and apply follow active quads. Yeah, okay, that's all finished. It is showing. Okay, okay. This is because uh, we have holes in that thing, no? So it is showing like that. So it's okay, but it's anyway it is straight, no? So in that case, it is okay. Now, if you want to move that, it is overlapping on another island actually. So you press, take your cursor to that island and press L. No, this island, this which one, whichever you worked on now presently. Yeah, there only. You can just move it to the right side, so that no, it is not overlapping. You can move it. Yeah, move it. Start moving. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Enough, enough. Only thing, these things, no, we should bring it the left side. Okay, for this, no, I will tell you one easy option. Press A, press A, yeah, and go to UV menu in the upside. Yeah, that one. And you do you see pack anything like that? Pack is there? Pack islands or something? Yeah, pack island. That one you just apply, no? Yeah. Okay, so okay, okay. That's all. Default settings, okay. Yeah. Yeah, so it will arrange by itself. This is what I want to do. That is, you are seeing this UV space, no? There is a grid, light, dim grid. That is a room we are giving for these guys to sleep on. They are lying flat bed on the floor and sleeping. So they should not move outside this UV space. UV space means we can call it 01 space, UV space, XY space, all that. If you see in graph book, no, when we were school, we were studying, we were given in that the borders will be white. Inside that graph thing is there, graph, green color graph or red color graph. So that this is a similar thing. So inside this we have to draw, like how in graph book, like that. It should not go even little outside the boundary of this graph. So only then it will be the texture can be applied. Okay. So this is we have done this one, right? Control space. Yeah. The others also we have to do the same, like whichever having bend, those things also we will do the same thing. But for now, no, to give some break for you, we will go for the flat one which has no bend and all, no, we'll go for those things. Go to object mode. Yeah, in the 3D viewport, yes. Select the seat, woods seat. The first wood you can select, I think. First, press dot, no? Press dot in the keyboard. There is frame selection. Yeah. Now we have to do apply all transforms. Control A, all transforms. Yeah, all transforms. Yeah. Now go to the UV editor panel, left side. Switch. Okay, now go to edit mode in edit mode in the 3D viewport. Yeah, press A. Yeah, now you go to UV editor panel. That is left side. Sync is on. You are seeing sync button is on. Okay, no problem. That is how it should be. Okay, now press U. uh, Now choose smart UV project. Okay. Yeah, see, it has done. That's all. It has come straight, no, because there are no bend in the shape and no so many loop cuts. So it's very easy. So same way you can do for the seats, all the cubes in the seat. seat portion. You can come out, you can do one thing for easy shifting of selection, no? Take your cursor to the next box and press alt q, alt q. Yeah, that's all. Now press a. Don't forget to select all the faces. Yeah. Now you go to UV editor panel, choose smart UV project. Yeah, there also. Yeah, yeah, you can do that. You can do that. You can do that. You see where that UV and yeah, smart UV project. Yeah, yeah. From here, no, I'm not, not able to see. That's right. Right, right. Okay, fine. It is under. Oh, okay. Sorry. There is that control all transforms is not applied. That's why it's showing square. Means what? The previous cube pattern it is showing. Yeah. Now you can go to object mode and then apply all transforms and once again apply all transforms. Now come to edit mode. Yeah. Now you again apply the same tool, smart UV project. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So like this, no, you have to apply all transforms or other objects. Only then we have to. If you want to do all together, no, you can do. You need not select. Yeah, like that you can do. All you are incorrect only. No, no. Go to object mode and then apply all transforms. Control A, all transforms. Uh, go to no no here go to edit mode only, then only in components, no, UV editor will start working. That is, you are not in component, you are not in edit mode. Edit mode, it won't show. Now you press A, make sure you are in face mode. You are to press A. Now you apply yeah, smart UV project. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I will tell you one thing. Since you have selected all three together, it is calculating, it is bringing all the faces, though they are different objects, it is bringing all the faces in one UV space. But what happens, when we do like this, the texture designs, inside the wood texture there will be some color variations, some line will be there, black line, brown line, like that, some designs will be there, no, they will be, they will be very bigger on this. So for that sake, no, you have to apply individually the smart UV project for every object. Yeah, yeah. That is where in this room, no, only some 4 or 5 guys can sleep. But here you see some 10 or 15 guys are sleeping. So yeah, yeah. So go to object mode. Yeah, object mode, and then select the third one first. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Go to edit mode, and then yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you will see the difference. Again, apply the smart UV project. This will all become big actually. They will occupy more space because they find, okay, I have more space, I can occupy. Uh, okay. Yeah. See how big means what, that wood design will be shown up nicely. They won't. Yeah, yeah, only when you apply texture, no, you will see that. So what the point is, we have to apply UV and wrap separately to each object, like that we should. So now go to the second, press alt q, keep your cursor on the next box, next box. Yeah, yeah, in the 3D viewport only, 3D viewport, alt q. Yeah. Now you go to take your cursor to UV and then yeah, smart UV. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Same thing for the other ones. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Super. Very good. Now we have done for the seat portion, and this below the seats, no, we have support also. So that also we go to object mode and then select him. This support. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, support. You can press dot so that frame selection we can see whatever is happening. Little yeah, in view we are keeping, that's all. Yeah. Now press apply all transformations. uh, Control A, all transformation. If you want to know where this, if you don't want to remember this shortcuts, no, I'll show you this. In object mode, you have selected the object, go to add, then object is an object menu. Object menu, there apply is there. Apply, yeah, yeah, there all transforms will be there. Fourth option, no, 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 something else you applied, I think. Okay. uh, Apply. Fourth option, all transforms. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah, see. So this way also you can go instead of using shortcut. Right. Now don't deselect it. Select. Let it be in selection only. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Tab. Press tab. Yeah. Now go to left UV editor panel. Yeah. Now press A. No, no. We have to press select the faces and then smart UV project. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So it is unwrapped because you have so many faces here in this object, so it is showing like this. One thing we can do, like I will tell you, generally, no, people do like one cube in the front, one cube in the side, another cube in the side, like that they do. Yeah, but here what we have done is one single object is traveling from front side to and to the either sides. You see that you go to object, no, go to object mode in the 3D viewport. Yeah, you select, you just rotate the camera here in the, bottom. Yeah, yeah. You see, it is a one single object, right? It is traveling through the cubes and it is showing. If we make it separate, no, make this cube as three into through three objects, what will happen? The UV, when we are unwrapping, it will occupy more space inside the UV space. I will show you what is that. You go to edit mode, no? Go to edit mode. Yeah, yeah. Now select the left side edges, that is how to say, no, no, inside in the, okay, you go to layout module because we are going to work on the model. Layout module means you are in UV editing module. Go to layout first one, before modeling, sculpting, modeling, first one. Yeah, yeah. Now you press dot. Yeah, bottom, show the bottom. Yeah, yeah. Now go to edit mode. Pressed, yeah. In the edge mode, yeah, you, okay, in face mode you go to face mode. Go to face mode. Select any. You now you have switch on the X-ray. Switch on the X-ray mode. Yeah, yeah. Now select any four set of faces. Any four set of, either the front one or side one. Yeah. You just make sure. Yes, yes. No, no. Only this side. Only left side. First, only left side. When drawing rectangle, no, take care that from the left side outside the area you are coming like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now wait. Now just turn the camera and see whether you have selected all the faces. I think some backside one face is there. This face also, okay, there it is deleted, no. Okay, so right side one more face is there. Do you see that? No, no. Just keep it on like this only. Don't change the view. Do you see one face on the yeah, yeah. But now it will select all the selects. Okay. um I'll show you in my screen. Hmm? Okay. Now I'm going to this support object, layout, in layout module. I'll press frame selection. Okay, fine. sorry. Now in edit mode, switching on the X-ray mode, I'm selecting only these faces. Okay, I have selected. I'm just seeing whether any other face left unselected for this front thing. Okay, these faces also I should select. See, this one, this one, like this. We should bit carefully. We should select this one. Yeah. So these, what I'm going to do is press P in the keyboard, selection, separate selection. They have become separate now. Yeah. So this object is separate now. The advantage of this one is, now I'll apply all transforms. Okay, I'll go to UV editing module and switch on the sync, press A in the keyboard, and then go to UV, unwrap smart UV project, say OK for the default settings. Now it is occupying more space. So this more space, if we these three guys are going to the same row at a time, they are dividing the space, and each one is getting very small space. So that what I'm telling, you go separately, you go in January, next guy go in February, like that I'm saying. I'm giving the different time period so that they will have more space when occupying that room. So I'm separating them. They are not one entity, they are three entities, like that I'm dividing them and applying individually the UV smart UV project. I'm separating it, and then control A, all transforms. Again do the same thing, A, and then press U, smart UV project. Okay, so here also same thing. This guy is now already a separate, because when two guys got separated, this guy naturally becomes the third one to get separated. That is, yeah, naturally is a separate. One thing, we have to apply all transforms. Applied. Now all faces select. When we are doing unwrapping, we should make sure that we are in faces. Huh? Yeah, yeah, face mode. Now press U and then smart UV project. Okay. So this is the size of the room they want to occupy. Not very small face like this. No, not like this. You should occupy maximum inside the space, inside the UV space, and sleep uh, restfully, no, without any issues. So this guy, you'll see same thing. He is also occupying more space. He is also occupying more space. Okay, fine. You may ask me, in the beginning itself we should have taken a cube and separately we should have modeled more like that. Like I can take it here and scaling it up. Okay, like this, and then keep it here like this. So if I keep this like this, no, keep it like this and duplicate it and bring it on the other side and keep it like this. If I had done, I don't have to separate them, right? If I do it separately in the beginning itself like this, see, now I just did separately. I took a add mesh cube and did separately. If I had done this, it would have been easy. We don't have to select the faces like this and then press P in the keyboard and select from the other side and all. We don't have to do. But what we wanted to learn is do this object as a single and add loop cut, and from there extrusion. All these process we went through, so that we can learn from one piece of face. We can build the we can continue to build the surface to the other side also. So it can, sometimes we may want to do a single object, single mesh all sides. So for that, that process will be useful. Now this separation process will also be useful for in other types. Now, yeah, yeah, now you have to do the separation. Selecting the faces is the problem for you. So see, you have to select like this you have to select, and this thing, it should be selected like this, see, like this. So now you can show your screen, and you can do this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now, yeah, yeah. Now this, just control I, you do control I. Yeah, yeah. Now the last piece you selected. No, actually we don't. Okay, this is the side piece. Okay, side wooden piece. Uh, just press control space so that I can see clearly. Yeah, yeah. Now the other side, one face is selected separately. That you can deselect. No, no, undo. You had the right selection. Just no, undo. I'll tell you. Undo. Now you press W so that you can come out of this gizmo. Now press Control and try to deselect it. No, this face. Press Control and yeah, that's it. Now you have select only this one side clearly selected. Just press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Now just go to the front. No, whether it is all are, see, one some faces are not selected. Carefully we have to select the other faces. It is one. Do you see on? No, no, not that side. Not that side. Only this side we are going to deal with. Undo. Two undos you do. Yeah. This side only, that is for you, right side I'm saying. Right side faces only we are going to select. But those right side faces are not full. Undo. No. Wait. Uh, right side faces are not fully selected. You go inside, go loop it, zoom inside, little, uh, little zoom out, little zoom out. Now just turn the camera slowly. Do you see anything unwanted? This that is so press shift and select. Means you have to add to selection. No, you have that place is already, that selection is correct. What till now what you have selected is correct. You have to add to selection. No. Careful. Undo. It's bit difficult only. I understand. It's why, other objects are in view. That's why, so now you control space, we go to outliner, we will go to outliner and solve this issue. Open the group, go to outliner, right side. Yeah, open this, don't select anything. Okay, selection, uh, without selecting anything, just switch off the icons and see, and make sure that, do you see any selected thing is there in the, yeah, except for that, all else you have to deselect. Visibility off. Actually, you can just scroll also. Like this, you can scroll. You don't have to do press. I'll show you maybe. Yeah. Now you can clearly select only that those faces. Yeah. That the turning faces are there, no? Those faces. Yeah. Yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah. This side also. Yeah. Top also. Yes. Very good. Very good. So like this, no, we have to select for the other side. Not now. Not now. Now you have to separate it. Press P in the keyboard. selection, first one, and go to object mode. uh, Now you can select once more on that same, it is an inactive selection, make it active selection, that object. No, whichever is this one, this orange selection, you have to make it active by selecting it again, that's all. Yeah, active, it has become active. Now I think some more objects are selected. You press deselect and do a fresh selection. No, this is always fresh selection is always safety. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now control A, all transforms. Yeah, 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 all transforms. Now go to UV editing module, fourth one. Yeah. Now press A in the keyboard. Yeah. You are in face mode, so that is what we want. Yes, good. Now press, no, no, face mode only. Yeah. Press U, smart UV project. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. This is what we want to do. So separation, and individually we are applying smart UV project. Yeah, that's it. Now deselect and then go to layout module and do the selection of the other sides, and go to layout module. Ah, no, in layout module you can do. Yeah, yeah. Now yeah, select the object, select the object. Go to face mode. Yeah. Now select only the other side. That side, no. Select. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Press dot. No. Press dot. No, no. That is when you keep the cursor on the viewport, it will do properly. Yes. Yes. Yeah. This backside also we have to select again. Backside. That's you are seeing small fish. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I think all are selected. I think no, no, that is not. Yeah, yeah. There, that is a hole actually. What you are skeptical about is a hole. Yeah. Now you press P, selection. Yeah, that's all. It is separated. Now go back to object mode. Alt A. Select this side. Yeah. Okay, no problem. It is correct only. Just press. Go to. We have to move this and see further. No, go to object menu. Set origin. Second option. Second option. Origin to geometry. Yes, yes, yeah. Now just in x-axis you move it and see. No, x-axis. That is red color. Yeah. Yeah, move it outside. Move it outside. No, no, move it outside yeah, there. Yeah. Now you just put don't select, deselect or anything. Just shade mode and see. No? Solid. Press. That is press Z in the keyboard and no, 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 no deselect it. No, no. Okay, okay, okay. That is, we have to go back. That is why don't use undo for now. Solid mode, solid mode. You see that there is a hole there. No? Okay, okay, okay. So while separation, something has happened. That is previously. Okay, now you undo. We have to undo. Yeah, one more undo. Enough, enough. Now, okay, let this we have separated. No, we will solve this issue afterwards. This middle one you just select. You can hide this one. You can hide this either side. No, you can hide in the outliner. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, correct only. What you did is correct. It is showing. No, that is what we are going to solve the issue. No, no. Yeah, yeah. So cube 12 is the one. Huh? Now, this guy doesn't need that other side face. He is a separate guy. That guy is a kind of mehman, the kind of guest to him. So we don't need this guy. The guest should be gone, should be going out now. Go to edit mode. uh, Now select that separate existing face, no, that yeah, select it, delete it. Yeah, okay, fine. Now we have this clearly, this one we have just I think this is already separate, so we don't have any issue. Select this object, go to object mode. uh, Select this it is selected. Okay, make sure that when you are doing all transforms or any time, no, any other unwanted object is selected in the form of face or vertex or even in object, huh? Okay, now we are able to see in outliner only this object is selected, right? No other object is selected, so this is safe way to do. Yeah, yeah. Now press Ctrl A and all transforms. Yeah, all transforms. Yeah, fine. This all transform is not yet done, I think. Uh-huh. Okay, I think go to transform pivot point, no, transform pivot point that is next to local. That is in the top middle, top yeah, yeah, right side, further yeah, yeah. Next just previous, that previous, no, that one. See, median is selected, so individual origins, select individual. Now you can see, now you do all transforms and see uh, why it's not going to the. Okay, it should go to the origin actually. Okay, let's see. Okay, undo. Yeah. Okay, now go to UV editing module. Yeah. Now press A in the keyboard. Uh, Smart UV project. Unwrap is there, no, live. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. So it has come all right, but it is not showing where the pivot point on the world center. It is little above the world center. I don't know why. We will see. We will see that. We will see. Now, this one we have unwrapped. The one side we have unwrapped. Another side also we have to unwrap, which had that hole. So now go to layout module. First one. Yeah, yeah. Now we can hide that I think 19 or 20. I think just this one, unhide the 19 or 20. Yeah, I think it is 20. I think so. 19 and 12 are done. Yes, yes. Just select this one. Select. You press dot. No, press dot. Now you know the filling face, no, filling face option. So go to edit mode and yeah, go to edge mode. Edge mode we have to go. Only then we can just select the entire loop. Alt. Yeah, F. Yeah, yeah. Now we have done. This place we need not do actually. It is inside only, inside that object. This is okay, fine. For this one, alt transforms and then UV unwrap. Select, we should no, no, you didn't select it. Select the object and then UV enter. Yeah, yeah. Go to UV editing. Yeah, yeah. Press A. No, no, faces should be selected. Okay, it is in edge mode. It is in edge mode. uh, uh, Go to faces, no, face mode. Yeah. Apply this, smart UV project. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. Very good. So when you are doing like this, no, will become your muscle memory on this subject will develop. You will just fastly go. I can see that lot of learning, I can see in you. It is automatically going to vertex mode, edge mode, all that it is going. Yeah, yeah. So when those things are solved, no, default things, other things will become very easy for you. Yeah, yeah. Other things are like creative aspect of them. Once we are good in, we have done with this operation tools, viewport navigation, vertex mode, what is this, understanding small things and all the basic things, then you can do. It is like once you go to some Australia or somewhere, no, you're first knowing the basic things. If I go to, if I from here I should go to take a bus or train or tram or something to airport, and these things, that this thing, then you can, if you want to build a company and start a company, all that you can do. But without knowing these basic things, no, where is this government office, or where, whom should I contact, all that, without knowing that, if I want to start a company, someone may cheat me, taking the money, like that, someone will have to depend. Yeah. So that, so operation tools are very important. Generally people underestimate it. So that's very important. Now you are learning slowly into, yeah. Now we have done this support beams, support wood pieces and all we have done. Now we'll go back to the bent one only. We can hide, unhide that bent one. Uh, you can save also. Now go to layout mode and then save. Go to layout mode, first module, layout module. Sorry, layout module. First module. Yeah, so now save the scene file. File save as. Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Right now we can hide this one, and we have to find the bent one. We have to find. I will tell you one easy option for that. No, you are pressing everyone individually. No, for visibility, you just press any one thing and just drag your mouse. You will unhide everything. No, no. In the eye icon, I'm saying. No need, no need, no need. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. That is without selecting. You just press left mouse button on any one icon, eye icon. Uh, take your cursor there. Now don't leave this. That's all. That's all. This is how. This is the advantage of Blender. It's like awesome. You don't have to click in every eye individually. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Now this first cube one is something is, we don't need. It's a kind of proxy we were using. I think cube one or cube. I think first one, primordial one. No, top below the, in the outliner. I'm saying. That one I think. Yeah, that you can hide it. Delete. Okay, delete also. Yeah. Okay. Now, just little zoom in. So the first one we did the unwrapping. I think you remember. No, first one we did the unwrapping. Second one you select, no, bent one. Second, in the same row. Yeah. Same column, I should say. Right. Now you go to UV editing module. Just no, UV editing module first. Yeah, module. Yeah. Right now, sync is on, face mode is on. Okay, press A in the keyboard. Yeah. Now press U in the keyboard. Smart UV project. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now it has come. Only thing, same thing we have to do. Add two lines on the top and bottom, and then what we have to. Yeah. No, we have to add this in layout module only. Go to layout module. This modeling part, no, we should do in the layout first one. Press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Now, I think, do you want to hide others? No. We can manage with this one. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, then okay. Now go to edit mode. We are going to add lines to loop edges. but make sure that you are not pressing the left mouse button. If you are pressing by mistake, if you press, no, immediately come to the settings. You would have seen, no, left side down, that settings will appear for anything when you, yeah. So now take your cursor to the top surface, top surface. No, no, in the user perspective only, go to the top. It is a user perspective. Now little, yeah, that should be seen, that top surface should be seen, whichever is you have selected, no? Now that you are able to see those lines. Yeah, that you zoom in, so that you can add lines for that also. Yeah, zoom out, zoom out. Alt A, Control R. uh, yeah, no, no, vertically for the upper one. How we did same thing, scroll mouse button. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Since you have selected, you have to do in this settings. Yeah. You do the same thing for the bottom. No, 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 wait, wait. Oh, no, 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 no. You have undo, undo. Uh, See, when you are careful, you should be very careful. Now, only use scroll mouse button. No. You see, you are just press left mouse button and it is moving. No, you should not move it. Why? Because the blender itself is calculating between the boundary which one is the median point and adding it. If you move it, it's very difficult to bring it to zero. Now you just move it. You see factor in the settings. No, don't click anywhere. uh, it has moved because you have moved, no, in the factor in the settings, make it zero. uh, no, type zero, type, yeah, type zero. So now it is in the median point exactly, huh? Right. Okay. Now you can go to UV editing module. UV editing module, fourth module. Yeah. Now UV editor panel, this one, left side panel only. No, take your cursor to the UV editor panel. It is there. You are in the panel only. That is, no, no. It's, I'm not talking of the tool. The panel means viewport. View. This one. Yeah, yeah. We call it panel in Blender. No, we call it panel. Yeah. So now control space. Now you have to do the same thing. You are completely, you are exclusively, you are going to work on this UV editor panel. Make the lines straight, right? That's what we did. Yeah. So zoom inside into the bend, whichever island is bent, we are going to work on first this island, yeah, which where you are keeping. So go to vertex, yeah, you know very well. Yeah. That is, I will tell you which one to choose, which face is better to choose. No, I will tell you. Zoom in, zoom in. You see already one active face is there. Do you see that? Yeah, that one, that one. Next, no, no. Wait, I don't do anything. Already one active face is there. Other faces you see around, the adjacent faces are little slanting, all that. Where in the middle you are seeing this active face, and next to that, inside that boundary, take your cursor there. uh, that one, that one, yeah, don't do anything. No, no, don't do anything, just listen. That perimeter, that face, compared to other faces, is it straight or not? No, at least compare to other faces, no, upwards, downwards, you are seeing, no, it is straight. So that whichever is closer to straightness, that face you have to always choose for guidance. See, when you are choosing a team leader, no, you will see, compared to other guys, this guy is somewhat straight. Okay, we can choose him like that, then we can make him more straight. That is the next thing. But we have to choose which one, whichever, whoever is straight, no, compared to other guys, like that. Here also you should choose. So now Go little closer, zoom in. Now you know which guy is a team fit for team leader. That guy, we will make him straight. We are working up on him actually. Scale, only scale, no move. Go to yeah, third option in y axis. No. Y axis. 0. Yeah. So the sidelines. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Yes. Red color handle. Yeah. This side. Uh, yeah. Very good. Very good. The down one. Down. No. That boundary you are not going to there. It is a Pakistan border. If you go there, they will shoot you. So y axis. No. Go to third icon. Y axis. Yeah. 0. Yeah. It may look straight actually, but 0. Type 0. Yeah. That's all. Alt A. Once you are done, no, immediately deselect. Otherwise, you will keep doing something on that. Now go to face mode. No, don't do. No. I told no. Don't select unnecessary. If without any plan, don't touch anything. Okay. Now just take your cursor to the middle thing and select that face. Select that face. Yeah. Now this is the selection order. First you have selected the face which you have made straight. Now you press L in the keyboard and press U in the keyboard and smart UV project. Yeah. Press OK. Uh, okay. No, undo. I think, yeah. I think some other guy is also selected. You press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, okay. Fine. No one is selected. Okay, fine. You zoom inside. Zoom in. Okay, we have to apply follow active cards. Okay, sorry. You press U in the keyboard and apply follow active cards. Follow active. Yeah. Okay. Length average is okay. Yeah. Same thing you have to do for the next thing also. Alt A. Once you have done, no, Alt deselect it. Yeah. So this guy also same. Yeah. Now you are in face mode. Go to vertex mode and select these guys. Y axis. That is yeah. Deselect and then top and bottom. Yeah. Yeah. X. No. Sorry. No. Undo. Uh, X axis. Yeah. 0. Yeah. Here also X axis. Yeah. The down one. Last one. 0. Yeah. Now that's all. You take your cursor to this island and press L. I think this is already become active. I hope so. You see, when you are in vertex mode, other guys are all selected. It is showing. You just switch to face mode. See, only this island is clearly selected, right? That is why we should do in face mode. If you are in vertex mode, only the away from the border, whichever vertices are there, that you can deal with in vertex mode or edge mode. Okay. Now press U in the keyboard and follow active quads. Follow that one. Yeah. Okay. Right. Very good. Right. Okay, this also done. Now, no, since you have known this, okay, fine. You can actually duplicate the same object. You need not do for the other bent objects. No, you need not do the same thing. It's a tedious work. So, control space. Yeah. So now go to layout module first. Yeah. So you are understanding now what I'm saying. That is other same similar objects are down there. There we can delete all those guys. You just count how many are there. One, three, six are there. Six are there. No, those six guys we are going to delete, and from this UV unwrapped guy we are going to create those six guys. This you can delete. Yeah, yeah. So same thing. You go to front and do this. No, I suggest go to front view, orthographic view. And, yeah. Little zoom up and do zoom in and do. Zoom inside. Yeah. That is pan it, keep it in view. Yeah. Little out, little inside, little inside. Okay, 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 right. That is use the shift middle mouse for panning. Shift middle mouse. No, no. Without pressing shift, you are doing it. Go to front viewport again. Front orthography. Press shift, press hold shift, and then use middle mouse button. Press hold shift. This is called panning. Okay. So, okay. Are you doing? Okay, fine. No, one more if you want, you can do. It's nice only. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you are using free move, huh? Uh-huh. No, no. Okay, then okay. Escape. Because I'm okay. Then you are pressing the axis in the keyboard. That is then okay, then okay. So now we have to align from the side view. Go to side view, right view. Here we have to align. You can switch on the X-ray mode so that you can see the. Uh, yeah, yeah. Press dot. Yeah. Now I think from the second one only you have to rotate. I think rotate and do. Now if you do rotation, no, it will happen like this only. Why? Can you tell me why? Because the origin is at the world origin. So when you rotate, no, it will rotate from there. It will rotate. So now I will tell you for the way for that. Go to same right side viewport, right orthographic viewport. Yeah. Press dot. Yeah. Now go to object menu. No, no. Object menu. Yeah, yeah. Set origin. Second option. Second option. Origin to geometry. This always you remember. Origin to geometry means that pivot. No, pivot to geometry. In Blender they are calling it origin. Pivot to geometry is the option. Now you zoom inside and then try to rotate it. Use the red color handle, not white color. Red color handle. Yeah, yeah. Enough. Now you, no, no, we have to move also. I think that same cube, no, we have to move it inside. I think, okay, yeah. So this one down also we have to move, rotate and yeah. So, you have to apply the same thing. Set origin to geometry. Yeah, for everything you have to apply. Go to set origin. Second option, set origin. Set, you just remember that origin means pivot in Blender. uh, yeah, yeah. Now press. You can do, but I want you to remember, no, for that I'm I'm telling you, you have the option for that. No, I tell you option for that. You only for this thing you do, then I'll tell you the shortcut for that. Right. Now you don't do anything else. No, 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 no. Undo. I'll tell you. Other, see, one action you did in Blender. What? Wait. No, no. Wait, please. See, everything, whatever you are selecting and unselecting, no, it will become a list in the Blender actions. Like, so if you are just by impulse, if you are selecting and unselecting, all that will be recorded. And when you are undoing, you won't get what you wanted. So yeah, so save your actions. for necessity. So now you don't want to do origin to geometry for everything individually. So you just want to apply one option in one shot. You want all the origin to geometry, apply all origin to geometry to all the objects. So for that, no, you have to first select one object, any one object in the upper. Recently you worked on, no, that object you select. Recently you worked that now you do the same action, set origin to geometry. Good. Please, yeah, yeah. You go to object menu. Yeah, yeah. Top, yeah, yeah, yeah. Or set origin to geometry. Now you don't do any other action. Okay, Blender will consider this action as last action. Now you select all other those bent objects. Yeah, 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 very good. Now you press shift R. R means repeat. Shift R. You pressed, okay. Now you just press any one, press move handle, toolbox. Yeah. Select any one object. No, don't undo. Only one undo. Select it. See, it is all in place. Do you see? So last action, when you are going to apply this shift R, make sure your last action is only that one. Otherwise, it will repeat some other action. Now this first one, no, in that you have to rotate, I think. You go to side view, right view, right orthographic view. This last four objects are there, no? Last four bend. In that first one, you select, press dot. It has to be rotated, no? I feel little you have to rotate. For that only we did red color. Okay. But always use red color, no? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Red color. The axis. This one need not be rotated. That is, it is aligning. You are trying. This one is okay. Right, fine. You just check now in the perspective whether it is all okay. Switch off the X-ray mode. Yeah, yeah. Now you just zoom inside. No, zoom inside. Yeah, I feel it is okay. Only for these last three objects, you have to make them go inside, I think. Last three objects. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yeah. And one more thing, this last in the last three objects, second object you have to little move up. Yeah, little move up. Enough. Yeah, so that they can have a equal gap for that. Right now it's done. No, you can save it or save as whatever you want to do. You can do. Okay, fine. Now these two more difficult objects are there. That also we have to work on. That is, I think you are coming to know. You are sensing it. Vertical columns. Yeah. That also we have to do the adding of loop cuts, and then go to UV editor panel and follow active quads. That is all those things. Smart UV project, and then uh, all that you have to do. So this side you select, no, this side vertical column you select. Yeah. Now it is showing cube 2, it is. So rest all the objects you can hide and you can freely work on. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, the one also you can hide. Yeah. Now you see, sometimes when you are selecting, no, it's in orange color. It's not yellow color. Did you notice that? So it's in now inactive selection. You have to make it active. Select one more time. It becomes yellow. Now, uh, Control A. and all transforms here. Now we have to add lines. I will tell you where. Go to edit mode. Now you just go to front. In front view you are not seeing any bend, no, not much bent. Yeah, it is okay. Only from the side view it is looking like more bent. So only on the sides we are going to apply those follow active cuts. Now what we have to do is we have to add two loop cuts on the sides, either sides. So go, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Yeah. No, 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 no. Careful. No, no, no. Don't select anything. Just zoom inside. Yeah. Now control R. Vertical line. We have to add vertical line. No, 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 no. Undo. Undo, 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 undo. Vertical line. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Don't place it anywhere. Don't. That is, we should not place it manually. That is what I'm going. Two. That's all. Same thing on the other side also. It has been added. Okay. No, no. That's all. Finish, finish. Now you only if necessary we should add. Press switch to face mode. Press A. Press A. Go to UV editing mode. No, no. UV editing module. Module. Yeah, yeah. Now, having selected all the face, sync button is also on. Now you press U in the button, in the keyboard. Sync is on only. Yeah. Follow Smart UV project. Smart UV. Okay. Yeah. So now it is coming like this. Okay. Which one is more bent? You can see that, right? That is, first two islands are more bent. Second two islands are okay. It's not so bent and all. It's okay. So first two islands we have to correct them. So one by one we will do. First island you can select. Press L in the keyboard. No, no. I have to. Yeah. You can maximize this. Otherwise, you won't be able to see. Control space for maximum. Yeah, yeah. Now, which team leader you are going to choose? That is face. Whoever is closer to straightness, no, that guy we have to choose. Yeah, that one. There where your cursor is. Yeah, middle one. Undo. I think below one is closer to straightness. I think. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now press dot in the keyboard. Uh, yes, yes. Now deselect it. RTA. Yeah. Now go to vertex mode. First one, first one, first one. Yeah. Select the two vertices. Top one. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Now in y-axis, do the special manipulation. Zero. Type zero. No, no, no. Oh, no, 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 wrong. And see, to make it straight, no, which axis you should yourself see. If you make this zero, no, if you make x-axis zero, it will become one vertex. This one is correct. Yeah. By mistake, you would have selected that one. Yeah, okay. Yes, yes. This also y-axis. So for this one, x-axis. Here, no, 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 careful, careful. All are selected. Yeah, okay, fine. Now go to face mode. Uh, this that team leader you select. This, yeah. Now you press L in the keyboard. Yeah. Now press U in the keyboard. Follow active quads. Okay, okay, fine. That's all. That. Same thing you have to do for the second island also. You can deselect it. Okay. You have to choose whichever is closer to straight. Uh, Maybe. Okay, that one is okay only. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So those that two vertices. You have to be in vertex mode. Go to vertex mode, and then yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Super. Yes, yes. Awesome. Careful, careful. You have selected everything. Undo, undo. You have that is one thing is we have to deselect and then fresh select every time. That is one difficult part. Oh, careful. Other somewhere else got selected. Yeah, I think all are straight. I think okay, fine. Now select this. Go to face mode and select. Yeah, I think this is active selection only. I hope so. Now press U in the keyboard and then follow active points. Follow active points. Third, that one. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So we have done this. The rest of the islands are okay. Otherwise, it will take more time. But you know the concept now. If you want to do, you can do later while practicing. You can do. So since we have done for one vertical column, no, we can duplicate this and delete the other side vertical. For that, we have to do the mirroring. Go to layout module, layout first module. Yeah, yeah. Now you can switch on the, I don't know which one. You just visible, make the cube 3 visible in the outliner, no? Yeah, exactly what we wanted it is. So in this same place we have to duplicate this guy for whom we did the UV unwrapping. So that guy we can delete, actually delete. Once again, yeah, yeah, just undo it, undo. I don't know which one you deleted. So I think this one only. Now you don't delete anything. You will come back and you, yeah, 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 you always.